All right, in this next movie, I want you to investigate the angle of impact of a blood spatter. So I want you to pick up one of these papers that you will see on the side table or in the back. And it says investigate angle of impact blood spatter. So what I have here is an example of blood spatter in the air. It becomes a sphere. So that's represented here in this case. So it becomes a sphere, and as blood flies through the air, it becomes a sphere, and when it goes to hit the ground, you can see that that sphere ends up hitting and forming a tail in the direction that it was traveling. So as the blood is flying through the air, it's a sphere, it hits the ground. The width that you get in this sphere, represented here, this width, is the same as the diameter of the sphere flying through the air. And then this length will be indicated by the angle of impact that you get. Then you get this tail that points in the direction that it was traveling. So that's what this diagram is trying to represent, is this blood as a sphere hitting the ground. You get this blood sample here where you've got an elongated length based on the angle of impact that it came in. So knowing the length and the width, you get this right triangle. And the right triangle is here where DE is the diameter of the blood spatter as a sphere. It is also the width of the blood spatter. So you've got DE, you've got DC, which is the length of the blood spatter you get. And you're wanting to find the angle of impact, which is located right here. So that's the angle at which this blood is coming in. So look through this diagram, and I want you with your group to answer these questions, and then I want you to check with me before you move on in this section.